Hi, my name is Lovro. I'm one of the members of curatorial collective Organ Vida that also curated the show It's Okay to Cry, currently on view at UGM in Maribor. And this show is kind of a continuation of a topic we were exploring for over 2 years now. And it's a topic of feelings in contemporary society and especially its social dimensions. It's Okay to Cry gathers 11 artists that are presenting, that are not diving into this hopelessness of the times we are living in, marked by major social and political insecurities, but instead often offer us a visual critique of reality and kind of explore transformative potential of these negative feelings. As the title itself suggests, it's okay to cry. With this show we are kind of coming to terms or acknowledging all these sensitive or painful experiences that are kind of part of everyone's life.